Together, we drive growth.
By exceeding expectations.
By partnering with our customers to meet their unique challenges.
By setting the ABF Freight standard for service.
Together, we drive loyalty.
By rating 99.67% of all bills accurately.
By building relationships with our customers.
By handling every piece of freight like it's our own.
Together, we drive jobs.
With reliable, on-time service every time.
By taking on the jobs no one else will dare.
By preventive maintenance and keeping our equipment on the road.
Together, we drive stability.
By always being available for our customers.
By applying our quality process every day.
By being flexible to the needs of our customers.
Together, we drive profit.
By blocking and bracing every load.
By doing it right the first time and every time.
By harnessing emerging technologies to meet our customers' needs.
Together, we drive success.
Together, we drive success.
Together, we drive success.
Together, we drive success.